Welcome to this key, Changing Up Your Emotions. At the end of this module, you will have an understanding about the emotional guidance scale and how emotions carry different energetic frequencies. You will also have an understanding about how to use the emotional guidance scale to change the quality of the mind and your experiences. And you will understand how appreciation can be used as a practice to assist you to shift your perspective about life. I recommend that you spend at least 1 week on this key before you move to the next one. So far, we have explored different tools to help you to connect with yourself deeply and to integrate imbalance in the mind, body, and spirit. This process, including daily yoga practice and reflection, not only assists you to change the quality of your mind, but also enables you to peel back the layers of who you think you are to find out who you really are. This is why the experience of depression can be seen as a gateway to inner peace. As difficult and as horrible as the experience is, it provides the impetus for you to transform at a deep level. Think of the phoenix going through the fire. The phoenix is transformed by the flames. It understands itself more fully and is freed from illusion and limitations. The yogi spoke at length about tapas. Tapas are healing and cleansing practices. We apply heat to cleanse the dirt, the illusions, and heaviness and negativity. When we put a daily practice in place, this becomes our tapas practice. We're applying heat, that is, we're slowly burning off the dross, which is another name for dirt. I cannot stress enough how much of a gift the experience of depression is. See it in this way and notice how your experience of it changes. Love it for the teachings it offers you. Give it love and thank it for the deep initiation it is offering you. Once you change your perspective about the experience of depression, stop fighting it and let it go, expansion follows. In this module, we're going to learn how we can change up our emotions. That is, how we can train ourselves to choose emotions that make us feel better. I'm going to introduce you to a tool called the Emotional Guidance Scale, which can assist you to do this. We are also going to explore appreciation as another tool to help us change up our emotions. So let's begin with the first lecture. See you soon.